the water subsides, we started rescuing by our own. The people in the barangay help each other. So even me, I had tried to cross. Our place has a river, and people who were victims of the tidal wave was brought beyond the river, and it takes out more than a kilometer away. So we have to cross the river, and the current was so strong that we have just to use a rope to cross. So I tried twice. On the third time, they didn't allow me already to cross because they want me to stay on the post to manage all the activities on the area, because they told me that if somebody or something happened to me, who will lead the group, who will lead the barangay at the time, that most of the people there were wounded. I think that was almost 70% are wounded. So they need a leader at that time. So some of my men go and rescued some people by their own, both hands, and now other rescue materials that we had, only the rope.